Hello everyone, and how are you doing? So I recently just shared a picture of my post-pregnancy body, how I lost a lot of weight, belly fat, and so many people were like, Lisa, what did you do to lose weight so fast and a lot of weight, most especially my belly fat? And so today I'll be sharing with you these juice that help and still helps me a lot. So if you want to lose some of that weight, a lot of weight, not just post-pregnancy weight, you want to lose some weight so fast, trust me, you would love this. And so I'll be sharing with you how to make yours yourself at home, burn that fat, maintain a healthy body size without having that chunky big belly, and stay in shape. Yeah, so without wasting much of your time, let's quickly get into it. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Like, what are you waiting for? Feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video, so you don't miss any of my uploads. You get to watch them on time. And yeah, so let's quickly get into it. Voila, so in order to come up with this recipe, I use a lot of cucumbers. I'll be using 2 cucumbers. This is very alkalizing, very detoxifying. They support your system to detox waste, slowing down your metabolism, causing metabolic disorder. That way you face difficulties losing weight. But if you eat enough cucumbers, it activates your system to burn fat so fast. That is a big secret I'm telling you today. The alkalizing benefits of cucumbers are like you cannot imagine. So I'll be using 2 cucumbers, washed thoroughly, sliced up into some good little sizes. They hydrate yourself and support the fat burning process. They are very cleansing, very detoxifying. Like, this is so good. Plus it forms a disease fighting barrier in your system because of its alkaline benefits. So this is 2 cucumbers, very important, set aside. The second ingredient I use is ginger. I use like 2 to 3 thumb sizes of ginger, enough ginger in here. Yes, they are very fat burning, very thermic to heat up your system to burn fat so fast. They are so cleansing, good anti-inflammatory properties, so they can help you with gassiness, bloating, constipation, making you having that fake bloated big belly kind of, once those gases are out, making your belly to look so big, you feel that relief. Your belly goes down like instantly. Very good. Yeah, so these are 3 some thumb sizes of ginger. You want to slice up into some good little sizes and you're good to go. So ginger is something you want to fall in love with if you're looking to lose weight, most especially belly fat, to cleanse your tummy. You want to fall in love with ginger, trust me. So I used enough of it and it balances up in here. So my recipe is just everything put together. So this is it. You want to just slice everything and set aside. The next ingredient I add 1 lime with 2 lemons in here. This contains a lot of good acids. You know what slows down your metabolism is acids in your system, bad acids from sodium foods we eat, over-the-counter foods that have been loaded with preservatives, with sodium, a lot of salt, a lot of oil, slowing down your system. This is to help tackle those bad acids in your system, activate your system to burn fat so fast. Plus the good acids tackle those bad cells in your system, fat cells. It burns the fat cells in your system and you easily burn and lose that fat so fast. Like, this is so good. So what you want to do is to get 2 lemons, wash thoroughly, and we are using everything in here with the fiber. So if you notice I'm not throwing anything, you just need to peel and everything with the fiber, because fiber too is very good for weight loss. Fiber helps you lose weight like la. Fiber is very good. So we are blending everything with the fiber. So for pineapple, I'll be using just half a pineapple in here, not a lot of pineapple. Pineapple is very fat burning, plus it helps bring other ingredients together. It brings in flavor in here. The enzyme in pineapple called bromelain is very good for fat burning. That is from the middle, most especially in the middle of the pineapple. Very good for fat burning, and this is equally very filling. Since I'm having this as meals, I want it very filling, and the fiber in all these ingredients will keep me just very full. So just put everything all together, slice up into some good sizes, and voila, this is it. All have a pineapple. And yeah, so Now what you want to do is to get your blender and you put your ingredients in your blender. So in case you missed, these are 3 thumb sizes of ginger, 2 lemon and 1 lime. Put in your blender. Cucumbers, you put in your cucumbers in your blender, your 2 cucumbers, then you put your half a pineapple in the blender. All these are carefully put together, and that is how it works. If you don't do it this way and use the same ingredients, you might not get the same result like me. So follow my instructions. So I add in 1 cup of water and some ice cubes just to have it chilled. It will not be cool, but just chilled in the mouth. And I blend and watch. I'll share with you how to drink this. So you need to know whether you need to sieve it or not. So if you sieve it, you are throwing the fiber away, and we need that fiber. So we are not sieving this. This is the kind of juice that you drink everything with the fiber. It is juicy, not smoothie like thick. It is juicy but with the fiber in there. So don't throw that fiber. That fiber helps too with weight loss. Plus it is very filling, because you have to fill up your tummy with this to act like your food, to help you burn that fat, give you energy. But if it is just juice, you might feel like you want to eat, but with that fiber in there, it keeps you so full. It keeps your tummy filled up, that way burning the fat, and you don't feel that craving to eat any other thing because your tummy is already full. So 1 cup, 1 bottle in the morning, 1 afternoon, and 1 evening on an empty stomach. Trust me, you will see tremendous change. You got it. I've equally shared videos on what I eat a day, so that can be a guide for you to know exactly what to eat. You don't need to starve yourself to lose weight. You need to eat the healthy kinds of meals your system can burn so fast, so nothing stores up causing that belly fat, because it is not post-pregnancy that causes belly fat, but what you eat after having your baby. All the heavy meals you have visitors bring for you to eat, and you have to eat everything, that is what makes you gain a lot of weight. So I have videos to guide you on what to eat as well, alongside this very effective fat burning recipe. Trust me, you will love your body and be very happy about your body size. So thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and bye. Please equally do not forget to follow me on Instagram so we can socialize. You get to see more pictures of my real self, how I lose the weight actually, and yeah, let's interact. And please don't forget to drink your water. I'll always tell you this: water is life. Water is what helps with digestion. Without water, you will not digest your food, and that is how it builds up into waste, toxins, causing belly fat, weight gain, and other health complications. Water is the cheapest cleanse you can have in your home, so drink lots and lots of it. Yeah, so share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.